Majama. So I am here with a new lecture of ray optics. Today we learn about lens, type of lens and lens maker formula. Then first the definition of lens. What is lens? Lens is the image forming device bounded by two refracting surface. याद रखिए, lens is the image forming device bounded by two refracting surface. Of the two refracting surface, at least one is a curved. ये आपको याद रखना है. First, lens. The definition of lens is the image forming device bounded by two refracting surface of the two surface, at least one has curved surface. At least one. Now there are two type of lens. First, convex and second, concave. हमारे सिलेबस में 90% थिन लेंस का ही यूज होगा, ठीक है. लेकिन हम फर्दर क्लासिफिकेशन देखेंगे. कॉन्वेक्स, जो लेंस की मिडल में थिकनेस ज्यादा होगी और एजिस में थिकनेस कम होगी, दैट इज नोन एज कॉन्वेक्स. थिक इन middle, that is convex. Another concave. ऐसे लेंस के जिसकी मिडल में थिकनेस कम होगी लेकिन एजिस में थिकनेस ज्यादा होगी. थिक इन एजिस. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस कन्वर्जिंग लेंस होगा और कॉन्केव लेंस डाइवर्जिंग होगा. जैसे कि आफ्टर इमर्जन बाय लेंस दे coincides at a single point, that is converging. Now for this, after emerging they change its direction, but if we extend in backward direction they form the image, but it is diverging lens. Complete. Now next, further classification. Further classification. Now three type of concave and three type of convex are classification in concave and convex lenses. First, equiconvex. अगर आपको ये स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया गया है तो आपको कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ही लेना है. इसे इक्विकॉन्वेक्स. इक्विकॉन्वेक्स और बाइकॉन्वेक्स. नेक्स्ट, प्लेनो कॉन्वेक्स. नेक्स्ट, that is concavo convex. concavo convex, ये जो सरफेस है it behave as a concave and ये convex, but net image is formed by convex. Complete. Now for concave, that is biconcave. Biconcave. Plano-concave, equi-concave, plano-concave, and next convexo-concave. इसमें भी ऐसा ही है, नेट इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय कॉनकेव, ये आपको याद रखना है. दोनों सेम नहीं है, याद रखिएगा, बट दे आर डिफरेंट. नाउ फर्दर रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर सेम भी हो सकती है, डिफरेंट भी हो सकती है. पहले हम इक्वी कॉन्वेक्स, नाउ कंप्लीट द सर्कल. फ्रॉम हियर R1, C1, C2, that is for this R2, complete. For concave, complete the circle. From here C1, R1, C2, R2, for plano-convex. From here R और इसकी that is plane mirror, उसकी radius of curvature infinite. Now plano-concave, here radius and radius of this is infinite. Now next, now principal focus. In lens there are two focus. To find where the focus is situated, when the point object rays lies on the principal axis and the incident ray after refracted through the lens becomes parallel to the principal axis, that is known as first principal focus. Complete. Same as concave. That is principal axis. Rays emergent. Parallel, so that is first principal focus. Now for second, principal focus. Now for second principal focus, that is principal axis. If rays coming from the infinite and meet after refracted at a point, that is second principal focus. For concave, principal axis here, F2 principal focus. Now the direction. In this direction, the focal length F1 is positive. So F in this direction is negative. For this, F is positive. For this, F is positive. And for this, F is negative. मैक्सिमम हमको यही याद रखना है. फर्स्ट फोकल लेंथ भूल जा. सेकंड के लिए याद रखना है दिस डायरेक्शन एज ए पॉजिटिव, दिस डायरेक्शन नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. कंप्लीट. नाउ इमेज फॉर्मेशन रूल फॉर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. इमेज formation rule. There are 3 rule for convex. आपको thin lens ही draw करना है. That is optical center which is passed through the principal axis and the midpoint of the lens, that is known as optical center. When the rays is pass through the optical center, it does not deviate and pass straight as it is. Second, when rays parallel to principal axis, then it pass through the principal focus. Third, when rays pass through the principal focus after emerging is parallel to principal axis. आपको ये याद रखना है. कंप्लीट. नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट केस, object at infinite. When the object is at infinite, then image is formed at principal focus, because the rays is coming from the infinite distance and parallel to principal axis. So after immersion, the rays passing to the principal focus. So image formed at focus, point size real, inward, magnification is less than -1, because magnification is hi upon ho. The object is at infinite, height of object is at infinite, so magnification becomes quite smaller. Next, when object beyond 2f1, for that here is lens, thin lens. कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? Here is f1, 2f1, same f2, 2f2, अब मुझे तो पहले से रिजल्ट पता है, इसलिए आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. Image formed here. So first ray, here is object beyond 2f1. First ray is parallel to principal axis, which pass through the principal focus. Another rays is pass through the optical center. Complete. Now image between f2 and 2f2 diminished, real, invert, magnification is less than -1, the modulus is positive. Complete. Next case. At 2f2, 2f1, thin lens, f1, f2, 2f1, sorry, here is f2 and 2f2. So when object is at 2f1, then one ray is parallel to principal axis, which is pass through the principal focus, and second ray is pass through the optical center. Complete. Here is image. So image formed at 2f2, same size, real, invert, magnification equal to -1. नेक्स्ट, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी ध्यान गया हो, जैसे ही ऑब्जेक्ट 2f1 से बियॉन्ड था, देन इमेज बिटवीन f2 एंड 2f2, जैसे ही ऑब्जेक्ट 2f1 पे आया तो इमेज इज ऑल्सो 2f2. व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट जैसे जैसे इस तरफ आता जाएगा, इमेज इस तरह फॉर्म होती जाएगी. नेक्स्ट केस, फोर्थ केस, बिटवीन between f1 and 2f1, thin lens, f1, 2f1, f2, 2f2, image formed here. So when object between f1 and 2f1, one ray is parallel to principal axis and it passed through the principal focus, and another is passed through the optical center. Passed through the optical center. One is complete. Now image formed. Image formed at between 2f2 and infinite, real, inverted, invert, large, magnification is greater than 1 and negative. Fifth case, in fifth case, object at focus m1, f1, thin lens, principal axis, f1 to f1 f2 to f2. So at f1, first is parallel to principal axis, passing through the principal focus, and another is passed through the optical center. So image formed at infinite, large, enlarge, real, invert, and magnification is greater than 1, and it is negative. Complete. Last case. Case 6. Object is between f1 and p. Thin lens f1 to f1, that is pole. Here is f2 to f2. Here is object, first parallel to principal axis, passing through the principal focus. Another is passing through the optical center here, but these rays does not meet each other. So if we extend beyond, they form the image here. So image between 2f1 and f1, enlarge, virtual, erect, and magnification is greater than 1, and that is positive. Complete. So this is total 6 cases. The image formation rule for convex lens. Image formation rule for concave lens. Image formation rule for concave lens. There are 3 rules. First, when principal axis, when rays parallel to the principal axis, it deviated. So image formed at focus. Second, when rays coming from the infinite, after immersion they meet, create the image at principal focus. And third, when rays pass through the optical center, they do not deviate. Complete. These 3 rule for image formation of concave lens. Now there are only 2 cases for concave lens. First, when object at infinite, concave lens, when object is at infinite, so rays are coming from parallel, after deviated, image formed at principal focus. So image formed at focus. Second, virtual, erect, point size. Complete. Next case. Second, between infinite and lens, then concave, principal axis, here is F to F. One is parallel to principal axis, it deviated from here and passing to the principal focus, and another is passed through the optical center. They form the image here. So image between F and lens diminished virtual, erect, and magnification is positive.